Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial so I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. Flanger is the next effect we're going to look at. This one's kind of cool because it has both kind of a filter to it, but it also adds this layer of like airplane taking off almost. Check it out. So it's almost as like the music was playing outside the airplane, like as it was taking off, right? So it kind of has this whirly effect to it, which is really cool. I know you're probably getting sick of hearing the same song with all these effects, but again, it's important to know how the song sounds so that way you can understand the effects.